If you are looking for one way to get out of your comfort zone, then let me tell you that the only way to do it is try to push yourself more and more in those situations which you feel are out of your comfort zone. Now you might be thinking that Nimit, I already knew this, so why should I waste my time in your video? It is because there are a few more things that you need to know that will help you to push yourself in those situations. One of which is that it is only once that you have to fight a battle against your comfort zone, and for the rest of the time you will no longer have to fight in those situations. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, then hi, my name is Nimit. I'm a second year BBA student. I put on a lot of motivational content in this channel. So if you want more motivation and positivity in your life, then make sure to click on the like and subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notified on my latest video. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Whenever you face a situation where you feel afraid, you try to run away from it, and the easiest way to do it is give the excuse of comfort zone. But the thing you're required to do here is analyze the situation and try to know the real reason behind those response. Many a times the reason behind these responses are two main questions that comes up in your mind when you try to grab an opportunity. First one is, if I screw up, what will people think of me? Or people might judge me on this for the rest of my life. But the reality is they won't. No one has so much interest in other person's life over him or herself. It might be that they might judge you or make fun of you for the moment, but it will change as the time passes. Believe me at this point that no one is going to insult you on your face. And there is a very logical reason behind it. Let me just ask you a question. Do you want the other person to have a bad impression about you? The answer is no, right? If your answer is yes, then stop fooling around and be serious. The same is with the other person. The other person will also not like to have a bad impression about themselves. It is because of this reason that they will never insult you on your face. I realized this after posting a few videos on YouTube. No one gave me a negative comment. So the people because of whom we always try to stop ourselves from taking part in any opportunity do not actually exist. The total thing is a game of our mind. The reason because of which you used to stop yourself from taking part in opportunities, thinking that the people will judge you or the people are gonna make fun of you for that, do not actually exist. So the total reason because of which I used to stop myself from taking part in the opportunities earlier was totally illogical and was the total thing of my mind. So keep this thing in mind that those people do not even exist. So try to take part in opportunities that you get and stay happy. So the next time you face an opportunity, don't try to ignore it thinking that it won't make a difference in my life. The reality is, if you want to succeed in life, it is those small opportunities that becomes a stepping stone towards your success. It is never that an opportunity will come towards you and make you successful. It is those small opportunities that you have taken part in earlier that becomes a stepping stone towards your success and help you achieve greater things in life. Let me give you my own example. I always dreamed of being successful and achieve great things in life. But in reality, I wasn't doing anything to work towards it. Whenever an opportunity came towards me, I used to run away from it thinking that either it is out of my comfort zone or thinking that it is not worth my time. And after some time I realized, even if I think of being successful or achieve great things in life, how will I achieve it? Because I wasn't doing anything to work towards it. It is then I thought that I need to work towards my goal and stop just dreaming about it. So the first step that I took was start this YouTube channel, and believe me, I never felt this good. All my family and friends told me that Nimit, you did a very great job, and Nimit, we are so proud of you. And this is the thing that will happen to you too. Just try to step out of your comfort zone, and believe me, everybody will be with you. I even started to make reels on Instagram. Now wait, I know you might be thinking that what is a big deal in making reels, but the thing is, earlier, even before posting a photo on Instagram, I used to consult 2 or 3 of my friends. I was this concerned about how I looked in photos and how people might judge me based on that. So the thing is, now I feel much more confident and motivated to work towards my goal instead of just keeping on dreaming about it. And one last thing is that there are going to be people who will insult you because they cannot digest your success, but you should not waste even a speck of your time for them. This is a great world that we live in, a world that is filled up with opportunities. So you shouldn't waste your time on comments of random people for whom your existence doesn't even matter. The main thing that you're required to do is try to live your life to the fullest, and more importantly, stay happy. So thank you guys for staying till the end. If you like the video, then please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It would mean the world to me, and I will meet you guys in the next one.